Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this channel. This printer is HP Deskjet 3762. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can print, scan, copy, and also connect this printer to web. Okay, and this printer is HP Deskjet 2620. You can print, scan, and copy. You can also connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct. Both of these printers pretty much they are the same. The difference is just in terms of the scanner. This one is using glass scanner, but the scanner for this printer is here. Okay, this is where the scanner is. Okay. Both of them are using the same ink. What I want to do is to show you how to replace the ink. Okay, to replace the ink is using two printers are using ink cartridges 304 ink. Okay, so I'm going to plug this on and connect it to the socket. Okay, so once you connect this printer to the socket, then you wait for the light to be ready. So you switch this printer on and off from here. So you switch this printer on. This is on and off button. Okay, and this is LCD screen. This button here is cancel button, and this button here is resume, and this button here is Wi-Fi button. This is information button. This is for you to copy color, and this button here is for you to copy black. Now from this printer, okay, can see this button here is for you to copy color. This button here is for you to copy black, and this is web service, and this is when you connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct, it will show here. And this is information button. This button here is for you to resume, and this is cancel, and the Wi-Fi button is here. Okay, and you can see this printer now. Okay, so inside you will see LCD screen and also see the ink level. Okay, you can see the black color is gone down a little bit, but the color is still got 3 gauges, but the black is gone down to 2. Sometimes I receive questions, people asking, how do you know if the ink is running low or run out completely? So you see it from the measurement. Also, when you connect the printer to your mobile device via HP Smart app, you should be able to see the ink level. Okay, so what I want to do is to show you how to replace the ink. Once you open up this compartment, the ink cartridge holder will come to the center to change it. For you to change it, it does this automatically. So push it down, and remove. Okay, so you can see the ink cartridges 304 and 304, black and color is the ink both of this printer are using. Okay, so to replace the ink, you just need to go in. Also keep an eye, there is a sticker here, okay, on the door, ink door. So the ink black one goes to the right, so keep an eye on the sticker, goes to the right. You go in and push it upwards, then use the colored one, go in. This chip need to be inside. Okay, go in and push it up, and once you close it, the ink holder will move from there and go to the scanner. Okay, but I want us to, so this is how to replace the ink. Okay, if you're happy with this tutorial, pretty much that the same thing in terms of replacing the ink. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. So this is how to replace the ink. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.